Go ahead.
This is the panel of my Zenith's CH750 STOL that I built. The panel is it tilts. The panel, the real panel is underneath. This is an overlay with 50,000 aluminum sheet overlaid with a carbon fiber, so it looks real good. I have a full Dynon panel. Pretty much everything is Dynon except I have a Flightline radio, and I have several backup instruments in case the panel quits. I've got an airspeed indicator, an altimeter, which are rudimentary 2-inch basic instruments, and a backup compass. The little green light signifies the elevator trim. The adjustment for the elevator is right here, but the indicators here is what I wanted, because I can reach this with my left hand real easy, and this is right in front of my eyeballs. Flaps is over here. With this type of aircraft, you rarely use flaps. If I had a real short field, I might use some flaps, but I've only experimented with them and absolutely have no reason to use them on any kind of paved runway. The airplane gets off in easy 300 feet and can land if you're careful in 250. The Dynon Skyview has the engine, the flight information over here. The map is on the right, and all the engine information is in the middle. Engine information gives you everything: oil pressure, oil temperature, engine RPM, fuel pressure, fuel flow, the fuel tanks, EGTs, and exhaust gas temperature and cylinder head temperatures for all 6 cylinders. Real easy to decide where you want to go. If you want to go somewhere, you say, where do I want to go? All the things come up here, ones you've been to before, or you can put new ones in. If I want to go to Sebring, which is KSEF, I select direct to, and it tells me it's 97.1 statute miles, and there's a magenta arrow. Follow the arrow, take you right there. It has all the boundaries of all the airspace. There's Tampa airspace. We're just at the edge of Tampa airspace. It's so much easier than days gone by. I was originally going to go with the round gauges, but when I had one sample of flying with this, it convinced me. I can also see traffic. Certain air traffic will show up, and it's sorted out between traffic that doesn't mean anything and aircraft that does mean stuff. And it'll appear coming at you. It'll tell you how high it is, how far away it is. It's not 100%, but if Tampa can see them, I can see them.
And what model is this?
That's a Dynon 10-inch Skyview. And of course, that's just the monitor. There's all the engine monitoring and the mapping and the GPS. All those things are additional. Forget the manufacturer, but I bought the pre-wired switches, and this is a thing that tells me low voltage, high voltage. It's circuit breakers. Tells me when the circuit breaker might be blown. I've got carb heat and choke. It's a carbureted engine. It's a Jabiru carbureted engine. I do have a hour meter on the dash as well as in the Dynon itself. 80.2 hours so far. I have the trim is electric. Put the nose down or the nose up. Flaps are electronically actuated. Flightline 760, one of the cheapest radios on the market, but it's also one of the best. Has 32 channels I can program, so I can put the AWAS and the Unicom and the towers and the approach and all the airports that I regularly go to. It's the nicest panel I've ever seen. And of course it's mine, so I'm a little prejudiced, but you won't find a nicer one. Even a certified panel, I don't think you'll find anything that works better.